Hello guys and welcome to video number 6. Today I'll be showing you around Kartódromo Aldeia da Serra, which is a go-kart track in Brazil, situated in these beautiful mountains in the countryside of São Paulo, which is just about 45 minutes from town center. This track reminds me of Buckmore in aspects of in the morning you get a cold, damp weather, and in the afternoon you get a really hot, dry weather. It's 1,200 meters of tarmac and you have about 16 different layouts you can run on that track. It's really fast and flowing. You can have a lot of fun on that track. They have a lovely infrastructure in there as well. They run indoor racing all day, as you can see there, and then you can have your session in between those. They have about 87 boxes in there. Now let's jump into the racetrack and show you more closely.
Kartódromo Aldeia da Serra with this buddy here, Mauro.
Yeah.
Everyone's out on the track. I've been out already and somehow I managed to crack the chassis. Don't ask me how, but I did it.
Dá vai ficar puxando, porque de alinhar.
Não, beleza. Vai ter que soldar toda essa manga aqui, né? Mas é uma solda fina nesse chassi da Praga, hein, cara?
Né?
Dá pra ver essa porra, hein, mano?
This is what I love about Brazil. Look, the guy is out in here and there's a fuel tank full of petrol in there. Go-kart fixed again. We added the chassis. Let's pray God it doesn't break again. Let's hit the track.
Você tá vendo?
Tô.
And that's it guys, I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. There's more video coming through, so keep tuned. For now, don't forget to share, to like, and drop me a comment. Until the next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.